Whew. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 415. 1 minute and whatever to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest and these problems and stuff. This is a live recording video, so definitely the explanations will be in each problems video or each video's problem. So, wait, what? Each problem's video, so definitely check that out if you want explanations for it. So this is just see what Larry's up to. We'll see if today the Terminators will win again. The chat GPTers, we'll see how it goes. The bi-weekly contest, it seems like the chat GPT people have won, and I don't even care about that, but I did poorly, so it didn't matter either way. But yeah, it may be different because, I don't know, because people know it's possible now, so maybe more people will cheat. I don't know. We'll see. For me, it doesn't matter as we have 9 seconds to go, and it is just about self-improvement. So, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I not register? Oh no, I thought I registered. Registration error. Well, did I register? I'm trying to register. Did I register? Maybe? I don't know. Let's go. We already wasted half a... Did I register? I don't know. Okay, let's just... Alright, let's just read it. Focus, Larry. Focus! Alright. Double problem, huh? In any order. Huh? Isn't this trivial? Alright. I mean, yeah. Wasted 3 seconds though, but it's okay. 4 and at least 4 indexes such that in B so 3 times the first number plus okay. Terrible naming, but okay, fine. Alright, so then I just tick, no tick. I know 24, it's fine. That means we're not finished, so we want to return negative infinity. And then just return. What? Int object not irritable. Nope. If it times out, I'll be sad, but it shouldn't time out. Okay. Whew. Okay, what's the difference between these two? The problem looks the same. N is the same, but the word lengths are a little bit longer. And the target is a little bit longer by 10. Okay, let's take a look. Let's read the problem. string. X is core value. X is a prefix of any. Okay, return the minimum value string type we can candidate to form target. If X is valid, okay, yeah, that's what I thought it meant. It's just DP. There are a lot of, there are only 100 words. Z thing. Too late. People already got submitted. Okay. This is the only thing that I always have to look up, the Z function. I actually don't know how to use it, but so we have 100 string target. So it is going to be. Is this fast enough? Let's see. So we have, what's that? 5. Is it 5,000? 5,000. So 2 of them is going to be 10,000. 1 million should be fast enough. It may not be fast enough for Q4 though. Q3 should be good. How does this work again? Whatever. Forward and words. It's either way. Yeah, it is. I know it's either one or the other, so it's fine. Okay, so 1, 3. So yeah. So is it the other way? Does it matter if it's the other way? Maybe not. No, it's definitely the other way. But this is the prefix. Okay. So then now we have the C function. We want to get basically the length of the word plus 1. People already got it. I'm not that surprised. So okay, so this is the prefix that we care about, right? And then we just want DP over all of this. It's at minimum and -1. Okay. How many things are there? So there are 5. So 5,000. So they're all good. 5,000 squares is a little bit slow though, isn't it? People haven't gotten that one yet though. People have gotten this one. 5,000 square. This Leetcode stuff. Maybe I need to convert it to Java or something. Alright, so then now okay, so then now we have all this stuff, right? So okay. Okay, so we have this array, right? Okay, and then now we have maybe something like yeah. So we have one for each word. No. We have one for each length. And then now we have for index x and enumerate this. If x is not equal to 0, then e of index append x. Okay, that looks kind of right. Maybe. Okay, so then now we want dp, right? I'm not surprised we got this quickly. I know I'm taking my time to be careful, but I think I want n plus 1. Right. So that's the delta. Then dp of x plus. Okay, so if dp sub I is less than infinity, x plus I is equal to min of dp sub I plus 1. And yeah, and dp of x plus I, I guess. And then now we just return, if dp of -1 is otherwise return dp of -1. I think this is fine, maybe. Is it fast enough? I don't know. Let's try. Words is equal to a times 5,000 times 100, and target is equal to a times 5,000. I know I'm taking my time on this one, but okay. I mean, not super fast, but not super slow. That's okay. We'll see. As long as it's not wrong. Ah, man. Output 9, expected 8. What am I doing wrong on this one? Output 9, expected 8. Am I off by 1? Maybe I'm off by 1 somewhere. Okay, so here is in from 0. We want to take 2. Okay. Oh, I see. You could take 1. So actually, you don't have to take all these steps. So then you get max. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. So then now instead of this, we want actually, okay. Okay, I did it wrong. Okay, and then now this is for I in range of use of I plus 1. Oops, for X. Okay, so this is right, but is it fast enough? I gotta stop deleting this stuff. Okay, so words is equal to target is equal to. I know I could randomize it, but I think this is good enough for a worst case analysis. 5,000 square. Is it too slow? Apparently it's too slow, which I expect because this looks ridiculous. How do I fix it? I mean, if we look at it backwards, then now we're updating it, looking at back and then the last 5 items, right? How many people got this? Am I doing it weird? I mean, probably, but this is just n square, right? Or is this like a Java, Python thing? Let me see, convert to Java, please. Maybe Java is fast enough? I mean, I know that I can make an optimization, but I just want to get this one in first. And I'll also be very sad if the Java works, just because, you know. Infinity is equal, okay, that's probably fine. I forget if that's the thing. What line is this? 66. Oh. Did ChatGPT just cut off? No, but I also don't need this. So, okay. Where? Line 7? What? It should be that length, but I don't even use it. Okay, and then now let's try words is equal to. Does that work? I forget how to save things in Java. Okay, let's just say target is equal to for whatever. This is fine, right? And then for words, is that right? 100. Okay, that's fine. 4. This is so silly doing this, but it's okay. Is this fast enough? Looks fast enough. Is this a Python thing? Maybe it is. YOLO. I hate Leetcode. How am I doing? Yonshine. I mean, I'm not surprised. People got Q4 as well. How many people got Q4? 12? Doing okay. Good. Okay, so what is the Q4? Let's copy this for here for now. So I want to keep this for a second. Oh, actually, I guess I would do this in Q3 time. Yeah. Okay, so we have benchmark of 60. We want to keep it to right? Is that the only difference? And that will time out because of this thing. This thing I think is fine, but okay, let's go back to Python and then we'll have to convert it back if we need to. Okay, so the idea is just this function, right? So it's pretty straightforward, honestly. I thought about it, but it's just that Leetcode is being silly. Or maybe I could still do it in Python. Okay, so yeah, so then now we want actually y plus x is equal to max of y plus, because that's how far we have to go back, right? So then now instead of doing this, we go from 1 to n plus 1, and then now we go with, well, we don't do that anymore, but yeah, so for x is equal to this number, then we have this thing, right? I minus x. Is this right at least? No. How did that didn't go out of bounds before? No, this shouldn't go out of bounds. Index. This shouldn't go out of bounds. Why is this going out of bounds? Am I off by 1? Maybe I'm just off by 1. This should also not go out of bounds. What is going on here? Oh yeah, 1, 3. So then that's making from 4. Yeah, I plus. Oh, I need the edges to go to n plus 1. Okay. Okay, I'm wrong here. I just kind of didn't realize. Yeah, okay. Stop explaining, Larry. It's fine. You got it. Okay, so this is now right. Okay, I'm converting it to Java so I could test that this is still correct. What changes did I make again? Where's my window? Okay. What changes did I make again? I have to save this thing. Oh yeah. I think this is it though. Just nice. Nope. What else did I change? Okay, that was it. Wow, that's actually surprising. Okay, let me also do this just to make sure that it runs fast enough. Oh, this is make sure that this doesn't run fast enough, I suppose. So this should be good, right? Okay, so then now I can do this function, which is just yeah, just a sig tree thing, right? I mean, I'm sure a lot of people have gotten it already, honestly. Oh, that's surprising. I mean, this is pretty straightforward, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me ask ChatGPT for a sig trees. Sig tree with in Python. So this time. Okay, right. I don't know, I didn't wait for it to finish. Okay. Okay, so seg tree is equal to I'm looking at the tree. Infinity times n plus 1, right? And now dp, so x is equal to e sub I, right? So then now we want to get from okay, s3 dot update 0 0. Then we want to go from xt dot query I minus x, oops, I minus x, I minus 1, dp sub I is equal to this, st update I dp sub I, and we should be good. In theory. Never any easy, is it? Oh, we don't want min. I think what do I want? Oh no, it is min, but plus 1. Right? Okay. Is this gonna be fast enough, Larry? Let's try. I don't know why I keep on having to type this. Was it 5,000? Need to be better about generating these. Okay, this is fast enough-ish for 5,000. It's actually a little bit too slow even for 5,000, but 50,000 is not even going to run because this is Python and Leetcode hates Python. So let's convert this to Java. Where's that window? Convert this to Java, please. This took 12 seconds for 3 max cases, which is not great, but hopefully the segment tree version is going to be better. Okay, I'm going to keep. I'm gonna keep this, and also I want to test the end case thing. It's still printing. Where did I have that? Did I have it here? I guess I should have kept it there. Wait, I should have kept that. And well, ChatGPT is still giving me code very slowly. Oh no, there it is. I was going to try to. This was actually pretty easy, but I don't know. It is what it is. Ooh, oh yeah, I have to make the same changes every time. And then now we want I thought I had this, but I guess I never submitted it, so oh, the summation is less than 10 to the 5th, so actually maybe I don't need to do what I'm doing. Maybe I actually over. Okay, fine. YOLO, let's go. Yeah, okay. Oh, wait. That's our Q3, Larry. Submitted for the right problem. Okay, that's good that it works for Q4 though. Okay, Q3 I mean. Alright, Q4. That would be very funny if I just walked away and like, whoops, I didn't need this after all. But yeah. I mean, I knew how to do this the entire way, honestly. I know that I took a long time between 3 and 4. And I think this is where more practice would have came in handy. Just because I knew that I knew how to do every step of the way. Everything was implementation, which is kind of sad that it took me 28 minutes to implement it out. But as soon as I write this for loop, I mean not here, but as soon as I wrote the for loop, I knew that as soon as I wrote that for loop, I knew how to optimize it. But I just want to make sure that I get the dumb one right first. I wonder if segment tree will be fast enough in Python. Why is that? This is Q3, right? Apparently the Python one is wrong for some reason. Maybe infinity is like weird wrong, yeah. Oh, because why is this 1? Oh, this is the target. Whoops. But this, yeah, why is this 1? No, this is, well, I mean, my understanding is of it is right. I don't know why this works in Java and not this, but I'm glad that, you know, it worked anyway. But year 0 of 1, and then do I just have not indexing? No, this is right. We update this, so it should be correct. Is the segment tree wrong? Maybe the segment tree is wrong for this one, because maybe this infinity, it doesn't gel with the infinity that I pass in, which is possible. Because that's why we have this weird infinity, maybe. But yeah, I don't know why this is giving me infinity. So maybe their segment tree is wrong for Python or something. Or it just never built correctly. I don't know. That's actually really surprising. I'm so glad that but yeah, I mean, I don't know why. I would be very frustrated during the contest. I mean, I already kind of am. I don't even remember how I got the wrong answer anymore. I am going to try to upsolve, or at least try to figure out why this is wrong for Python. I mean, I kind of use this as a black box, so it should be right. But I don't know, honestly. I don't know why this is wrong. The Y is right. Yeah, I remember checking that, right? And the n square one. And oh yeah, the wrong answer is because Python times out and we have to convert to Java, right? That was the thing, which is kind of that's weird. Like, why is it just returning infinity for all the previous things? No, but DP does, some stuff does work. So it's returning 3, 2. So why is this returning -1? Did I just not... Am I, like, is my indexing wrong somewhere? I don't get it. So it goes to 1. What is n? N is 1. So this goes to 1, this goes... So yeah, this should loop. I'm so confused why this is wrong, actually. Yeah. This is right. 0. We update it. Oh, this is... for some... Maybe the template is wrong because this is closed for some reason. That is funny. And in a weird, well, it didn't affect the test inputs, which is actually really funny. But also, like, the Java is different from this, which is wild. I mean, it made, oh, so there you go. But it's wild because the Java segment tree is closed, or yeah, it's closed, while the Python segment tree is opened. That is wild. I mean, yeah, I was about to curse Leetcode just because I'm so used to it. But wow, that was actually not Leetcode's fault. That was whatchamacallit. I'm just curious whether Python would have been accepted using the faster query tree. Okay, so if I had done, I guess if I had done the optimization to begin, and it would have worked for both of them. But the n square one doesn't seem to work for Q3, which is actually sad, right? Is that what happened? Oh no, I got a wrong answer. Oh no, yeah. What was my first wrong answer again? Oh no. Oh yeah. I got the wrong answer because I knew why I got the wrong answer. Maybe I'm wrong on this one though. I got the wrong answer because I didn't do the for loop. So yeah, what did I have this? Oh, I converted to Python or to Java. Do I have to Python code? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I forgot about that wrong answer, so that was my fault. Maybe I just thought 5,000 because I created the test case, but it was wrong because the test case was too harsh. The reason why the test case was too harsh is that I forgot about this constraint, the sum of the input constraint. So is this the 3? So okay, so maybe I'm wrong on what or everything I said. So okay, so this is the dumber one that I had initially. Yeah, with the range. So let's give a submit. Yeah, maybe it still times out because I don't know. Okay, if it times out now, I still blame Leetcode. Oh, so okay, so that wasn't Leetcode's fault. That was my fault. But I definitely took my time, just even though I knew how to do it immediately, honestly. But I just wanted to be careful, maybe too careful. Who knows? But yeah, I mean, I think this is also just what practice will buy you, right? Because I don't know if how much faster I would have gotten it, but I probably would have gotten it much faster. Like like on self, this is actually pretty straightforward. I did have one minor misunderstanding, which I got a wrong answer from, which is a legit wrong answer. I do not blame Leetcode for it. I just created a test case that was more intense than their test case. But I wanted to convert to Java just in case. But I would be so sad to get a wrong answer on it, though. To get this wrong answer, because of the segment tree difference. But yeah. All right. I mean, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Thanks for watching Top 50, which hopefully redeems myself a little bit. I'm surprised that. Yeah, I mean, I'm surprised the times aren't higher, to be honest, or like faster is what I mean. I guess this is pretty fast. I think I'm just too slow. Yeah, honestly. Yeah, it's because I don't know. Because I could have easily seen myself finishing like 10 minutes faster. Honest. I mean, without a penalty, you know, it's up to you. But yeah, I don't know. I did okay. I hate this new color leaderboard. I'm not a big or like it's fine, but I'm not a dark mode guy, right? So I don't know. I couldn't like this is on light mode. So yeah, I'm not a dark mode guy. Sorry, friends. But yeah, can I hack this? I'm just curious. Like, is this gonna leak information? Maybe I will. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think about these problems. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye. So yeah, I'm back. In case you're wondering, a bonus recording. I'm not quite convinced that my code works, so I'm just kind of looking at it again. Basically, the thing that I changed is well, that's just in So I had something that I converted it, right, to something like, okay. To look back, right? So then now it is. So I had something like this, right? Maybe not this because this is wrong, but well, this would never be happening anymore. That's why. I'm not convinced that. Okay, well, I had it right because this is the thing that we did. I thought so anyway, but. Okay, so this is. I'm not convinced about this one. In my mind it made sense because I assumed it's symmetric, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't think that I'm right on this, or at least like I don't have a proof. It may be that they give the same answer, but so I'm kind of double checking real quick. Like this AI, okay. Like what if I just have yeah, this doesn't make sense as a DP array. I mean the solution is right, and I think I'm proving by AC almost, but so luckily I submitted the other solution. But this reduction doesn't make sense because this is giving me the wrong answer for this. Right? Well, like this is not the same answer as the other one. I think I'm trying to rewrite this using a new segment tree that allows me to update a range. I don't know if this gives me actually the update that I want, but I think this is right anyway. Okay, so then now, yeah, I think I just was wrong on the wrong seg tree. I mean, yeah, I mean, I think that should be fine. It's just a harder seg tree, but I'm checking the bounds on this one now. But yeah, so then now, I mean, we still have the same thing. I guess we can just do TP. Actually, that would probably work. And then, yeah, I think this is wrong. So what we want is actually year of index, right? And then this is this plus x. So we want to update. No, not plus one. So we want to update range of what is this start node thing? I always forget how to use it. Oh, 0 and n minus 1. So we want to update from this is I plus x, right? So we want to update from I plus 1 to plus 1 to I plus x plus 1, and we want to update it to dp sub I plus 1 if it's min, right? And then we said dp sub I is equal to sd query range or whatever of this goes on up to n, goes from 0 to n now, I think. How did I have this again? Wrong answer one's fine. It's just, oh no, I had a for loop one. I think it's the last one maybe. Okay, so then so we want to update from so we want to query range I and I 0 n, and that should be good maybe. What is this? Line 5. Oh, it's just given n. Why do I get like random funky trees sometimes? Like the templates are always some weird thing. Why am I getting this syntax always on? Oh well. I think I'm always like doing off by ones on these things. Update range. There's no X, is there? I think there's more, right? One, two. Oh, the value is. Well, looks cleaner. Maybe. Is this right though? I don't know. That's YOLO. This is Q. Let's do Q4 again, just in case. If it times out, I'll also be sad. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know which one is right. I don't know that. I think I just kind of messed up. I probably should have done that one first, to be honest. But maybe I should have done it this way. I don't know. I mean, this way is definitely more correct, but I cannot prove the other way wrong. Like, I don't know that I have the other input. And that's what I'm kind of spending time on, but I'm still trying to test it in some input cases for the old one. Yeah. Because this scares me. This should not have this, but I don't know how to come up with a counter case. It may be that Leetcode's counter cases are bad, honestly. Like, cause I think this kind of merges, so maybe you get away with having it be 2. But the intermediate cases are really wrong, right? Like this should be a 1, this should be a 1, something like this. Like maybe I can do something like, I don't know if this is right, but well, there's still 2, but I mean, this 2 kind of sees this 1. I don't know if I could prove this wrong, but it just feels wrong, honestly. Because the intermediate things are just very wrong, and right after I stopped recording and I went to the bathroom, I was like, that doesn't make sense on the second thought. That's why I'm kind of doing this bonus video. It's kind of sad because I still know how to do it. It's just that I was like, it's still mostly the same. But it's also like not an interesting problem because it's just a sec tree problem, data structure problem. So this is right because there's some like weird overlap. But I feel like this comes out of like it being greedy and not intentionally like I think it's just an accident more than anything, really. But I don't know how to prove it right. Or prove it wrong, rather. What happens if you have 2 disjoint things? Like this is like maybe there's some like weird greedy thing that it's working for, but honestly I don't know how to prove this right, or prove it well, or find a counter example, prove it well. Because this is a case that comes up if 2 strings overlap, right? Otherwise, if no string overlap, you only have 1 choice, so you always take that choice. If 2 string overlap, if 2 strings overlap, then it doesn't matter how you divide it, so maybe that kind of works, but that's just a lucky thing more than I'm not really convinced, to be honest. Wait, they say that the live leaderboard is capped at 200? Oh, it is, huh? That's wild. Was that the performance issue? That's funny. Right, someone in my Discord pointed out. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna give it. I don't know. I mean, I guess I solved it the other way, but the correct way for sure. But I don't know. Like, if they overlap, and if you have a 3 string overlap, it also doesn't matter. So maybe it just works because I got lucky, but Like on case analysis, I can't come up with one. Otherwise, I would have already, because it just kind of. Because if you connect two strings in any way, it doesn't matter which way you go. Like how you split the thing, it's still, the cost is still 2. So basically it just comes down to like some segment thing. Okay, I think maybe my solution was right. But honestly, I don't know, and I'm not confident about it. I'm only going to talk about the. I'm only going to explain the correct one, so I guess it doesn't matter. But and maybe the other one's also right, but I'm honestly not super convinced. But overall, maybe I did okay, but it's not clear because maybe we'll fail in system testing. So oh well, that's what I have for this one though. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health again. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.